This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable food trays, specifically these biotech open sandwich or burger trays. They're a fantastic 8.5 by 6 by 3.5 inch deep open food tray that is really easy to use and gives you that kind of great, basic, natural, kind of rustic look. It's just very simple, and it's going to be great for simple foods like burgers and fries and dogs. They come in 4 colors, and you can see we have them here: black, white, newsprint, and craft, giving you lots of options to pick something that goes with your branding. I also love that these are easy enough to just slap a sticker on or put on a stamp to help put on some branding and really kind of, up the game for your business and add a little style. They're shipped flat, which is a great space-saving feature. You can see they have a very slim, narrow profile as well, and they're incredibly easy to use. So when you're ready to pack up an order, I just grab those 2 folds, pop open, make sure that it's pressed down, and just give those little 2 corners a crease, and you're ready to load it up with whatever you've been cooking up. This premium paper is durable, which means it can hold up to the weight of heavy meals, and it's also recyclable. So it's a great thing to use in that it's easy, quick to use. We've got that big open top that's fantastic for loading in lots of foods quickly and keeping your line moving. And when they're done, your customers can just toss them in the recycle bin. They can hold both hot or cold meals, and their simple, rustic, open design is great for food trucks, fast casual restaurants, any place that has an outdoor dining section. Think picnic tables and a beautiful open little tray of hot fries and a beautiful burger. It's that perfect complement. It's really going to provide a neutral base to show off your delicious foods. Its sturdy base and walls are really going to help prevent messes and spills. And it's fantastic for things like burgers and fries, hot dogs, pretzels and dip, tenders. It's going to be a great one for barbecue stands that really want to load up a lot of foods in a little tray and just pass that over to customers for easy, quick enjoyment. They also make a great way to secure multiple small items, think sides, utensils, condiments, if you're packing up to-go orders as well. It's easy to get all those small items in there and then just slip it in that bag on top of whatever other containers you have. So these are a fantastic buy for a variety of establishments, whether that's restaurants, food trucks, barbecue stands, hot dog, burger and fry joints.